Hello, welcome back, my friends. Before I dive in, let me ask you something that have you ever been told you need to be more mature, you should grow up, you should act wiser? Almost हम सभी सुनते आए हैं, but nobody really tells you that how to actually do that. Today, I want to share something special with you guys, and in fact, I will tell you a secret about maturity that almost nobody talks about. And I will reveal that secret at the end of this video. So stay with me till the last minute because it may completely change the way you see yourself. Now let's talk about maturity is not your age. You can be 40 and still act childish. मैंने बहुत से लोग देखे हैं. And you can be 18 and shock people with your wisdom. So what really makes someone mature? Firstly, maturity actually starts with a control over your emotions. Like, think about it when something goes wrong. Do you immediately react with anger or shouting or tears? Or do you just pause, breathe, and respond with the calm? True maturity is not about never feeling emotions, but it also about managing them instead of letting them control you. The wisest people in the world still get hurt, they still get angry, but they don't let that angry destroy their relationships or destroy their peace. So firstly, you have to control over your emotions. Secondly, maturity is about listening more than speaking. You know what most people do? They are always waiting for their turn to talk, not really listening. सुन नहीं रहे होते, बस ये वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि हमारी कब बारी आएगी. But when you are mature, you realize that wisdom often comes in silence. Listening carefully, understanding deeply, and then responding with thoughts, that's the power. So, the thing you should do is that listening more than speaking. Thirdly, you have to accept differences. Like immature people always want the world to be their way. वो चाहते हैं जैसे हम कहें वैसा ही हो. You must agree with me कि you must like what I like. You must think the way I think. वो यही बस सोचते हैं. But life doesn't work like that. Maturity is knowing that not everyone will think like you, and that's okay. You don't need to fight every battle. Sometimes peace is more valuable than being right. So please accept the differences. Also, maturity shows when you take responsibilities. You know that moment when something goes wrong and immature people blame everyone else. While on the other hand, mature people don't do that. If they commit a mistake, they say, yes, I made a mistake. Yes, I could have been done better. And I will improve. That humility, that ownership makes you wise. So take responsibilities if you are wrong. Moreover, maturity is about choosing long term peace over short term pleasure. Like, think about it, how many people ruin their future for a small moment of fun? Like, they are just overspending, addictions, chasing attentions, गलत काम कर रहे हैं. लेकिन this is just for a short term pleasure. Maturity means you think beyond today. You ask yourself, will this decision bring me peace tomorrow? Or will it only give me regret? So, majority is that choosing long term peace. And let me add this as well: that maturity is not about being boring or serious or cold. Some people thought that maturity is being serious. No, it's about living life with balance. You can laugh, you can enjoy, you can be soft hearted. but still have the strength to set boundaries, to control yourself, and to walk away when something disrespect you, when someone disrespect you. Now let's go deeper. Like sometimes people confuse maturity with the silence. They think if I don't speak, I am mature. No, 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 no. Sometimes maturity is speaking up at the right time in the right way. Sometimes maturity is saying no when everyone accepts you to say that yes. It's about courage with wisdom. And now the secret I promised you is that maturity is not something you get one day. It's something you practice every single day. Every choice you make, every reaction you control, every moment you decide to grow instead of shrink. That's how maturity is built. People think that maturity comes with years, but the truth is that it comes with awareness. If today you decide to pause before reacting, to think before judging, or to learn before speaking, you already have becoming more mature than yesterday. And here is the best part that more mature and wise you become, the more peaceful peace you attract. People trust you, respect you, and even look to you for your guidance. बात करना चाहेंगे आपसे not because you are perfect but because you have learned to live life with balance. So my question is that are you ready to practice maturity every single day, or are you ready to grow into the version of yourself that no one can shake? Comments below and tell me that what's one habit you think makes a person truly mature. I will be reading your answers and I really want to hear your thoughts. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who really needs to hear it. And subscribe to join this journey with me. Together, we are not just living, we are growing wiser, stronger, and more at peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.